Subject plus V1 plus extension. Subject plus V1 plus extension. Past indefinite tense. Subject plus V2 plus extension. Subject plus V2 plus extension. Present continuous tense. Subject plus amizar plus V1 plus ing plus extension. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing plus extension. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Subject plus have has plus V3 plus extension. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus V3 plus extension. Subject plus had plus V3 plus extension. Before and for. Before and for. Before and for. Indicate the before and for. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have been or has been. Subject plus have been or has been. Subject plus have been or has been plus V1 plus ing. V1 plus ing. Identify the time. Since and for. Since or for. Since or for. Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus extension. Indicate the time. Since or for. Since or for. Since or for.